How to schedule post on Facebook page. Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to schedule posts on your Facebook page. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app and sign in. Once logged in, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From there, click the drop-down arrow and choose the page where you want to schedule your post. Next, click the plus button in the top right corner. Then choose Post from the pop-up. Now, write your content. When you're done, click Next. Then, choose Scheduling Options from the new pop-up. Tap Schedule for later and set your preferred date and time. After selecting the time, press OK. Then hit the back arrow and finally click Post. That's it. Your post is now scheduled and will be published automatically. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.